Yeah, to all of the school children them at Jamaica, we are take the school bus them. Yeah, man. We gonna take care of the school bus them, man. We don't want to see no heap of mark up the seat them. Or cut up the seat them. We gonna take care of them. You understand? Yeah, man. I wanna go up on the bus. We do the best behavior. You understand? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm proud of what the government do for the country. You know, I make the kids them happy. I see the video them on the internet. And the kids them a smile, them happy for the bus them not take the taxi again. You understand? Yeah, man. And drivers will drive the bus them, man. Make sure you just protect the kids them when you not let them off and pick them up. You understand? Yeah, man. And more want to make sure, tell them and make it be a hard up on the bus, no heap of fighting or cussing. You know what I mean? And just deal with the bus them on the best behaviors. You know what I mean? Message for you. I'm out. One DJ Firebling, you know the code. Alright.